Cyber threats are part of everyday business life. Dangers exist when opening email messages, using applications, and visiting websites. Data breaches, security glitches, ransomware, and phishing are common across businesses of different sizes and industries. The first step to protecting your organization is awareness. Our Introduction to Cyber Awareness seminar is a 4 to 8 hour crash course in cybersecurity, covering risks, threats, and actors. Designed for IT teams, tech professionals, and even tech-averse managers, this seminar raises awareness and builds essential cybersecurity knowledge for everyone. During the seminar, we'll explore major cyberattacks, attack vectors, real-world security incidents, and common cybersecurity platforms. You'll also gain insight into the motivations behind cybercriminal activity. By the end, you'll be more aware of key threats and equipped to apply basic cyber-aware conduct, safe behaviors, and best practices in your daily work and across your organization. Wawiwa also offers additional cybersecurity upskilling courses for all audiences and levels. A wide portfolio of follow-up courses will be available for you and your team following our Introduction to Cyber Awareness seminar. So if you want to finally understand the basics of cybersecurity, take the fast track to tech and sign up today.